Hey guys, welcome back to Living in Thailand. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you've been here before, thanks so much for coming on back. Your girl got a new video, and this time it's a kind of like a haul video, an IKEA haul video of what I got at IKEA. And I just went maybe a couple of days ago to get a few things, and I thought, why not share that with you guys today. So if you guys don't know, I make content on DIY home decor, natural hair, travel, basically New York living. I do currently live in New York, so it's going to be a lot of videos surrounding like New York as well as we approach summer and everybody's outside. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I recently went to IKEA, and if you do not know what IKEA is a one-stop shop for like home, like literally anything inside of the home, outside of the home. IKEA is going to be that girl for you. The original plan was to get this mirror that I saw that I really wanted, and it was only $50. So I was like, okay, I can just order that and they ship it to me, but they wanted $50 for delivery, and I was just like, you know what? Let me just plan to go to IKEA so that way I can really see what's there, just kind of get inspired again to complete my apartment and just figure out how they use space. So if you don't know, IKEA is, like I said, IKEA is a one-stop home shop. I really like IKEA, especially now living in New York City, because they kind of specialize in making small rooms functional and just like finding creative ways for storage and things like that. So it's a really good place if you can go to it in your town or in your city, to just kind of get ideas of how you envision certain things. And that's exactly what I did. I miss going to IKEA, y'all. I just really like going there because it's just, I feel like it's a world of possibilities. Like, I feel like it is the place where if you can envision just whatever you want for your apartment or for your home, like IKEA kind of gives you that like starting base. So it's just like, ooh, I like that, but maybe I want to change that. And then a lot of their stuff is customizable. If you get on YouTube, I'm pretty sure you can find tons of IKEA hack videos where they'll, you know, buy something from IKEA as like the very basic thing, and then they like transform it into this like amazing thing. I've done that a couple of times with some things that I've gotten from IKEA in my old apartment. Nothing that I've like, I don't think, shared on this YouTube channel, but I've definitely, IKEA was like my holy grail when I lived in Atlanta and furnishing my apartment because it is affordable. And now I'm going to show you guys what I got from IKEA. I spent $230 at IKEA, and I am going to show you what I got. I got a lot of knickknacks. So for me, a lot of the bigger items in my home are already purchased and I already have. So now I am just trying to get like the smaller items, you know, the things that you necessarily don't have to, that you would want to go in and see in person to buy. So that's really one of the real reasons why I went, is because I knew I needed some smaller stuff. I wanted to get the mirror and I didn't want to pay $50. So yeah. Okay, so I got my receipt just so I can tell you guys how much things cost, so you can kind of do a little price gauge yourself. But starting off first, I got my mirror. My mirror was $49.99. It is the Nacetal mirror. And I just wanted something that will be able to fit in this small corner in my room, but also like large enough and big enough to not make it seem like it was just a mirror that I like hung up. I kind of wanted to give a little bit of not even luxury, but like adultness, I guess. Like, it looked like, oh, okay, like that's a nice mirror. So IKEA had one and I really liked it, so that, you know, prompted me to go there. So that was $49.99. This is the $30 bowl that I got, which this is a really nice bowl. It has like, you know, a different type of shape to it. It's just not, you know, just completely circular. But $30, it is heavy, but I can't believe I paid $30 for this. But this is the bowl. I wanted a bowl, a nice little salad bowl, or like a nice little popcorn bowl or whatever, to create better content in, or just to feel a little bit more adult. So yeah, I got this bowl. This other bowl, this is the Trigi, and if you've never been to IKEA, all of their things sound like the the name of their objects are really, really weird. They are a Swedish company, so it's like Swedish. This serving bowl was $2.49, so that's why that's why I'm like, how? And this is a nice bowl too. It is glass, but it is just a regular circular bowl. But this was $2.49, and I could have literally got 10 of these for the price that I got for that. So, but anyways, yep, I got these shoe racks, and it comes out like that. It's a shoe rack. I'm actually not going to use these as a shoe rack. I am going to put these in my closet for like additional shelving on the top shelf. So it's going to be a structure like that, so I can put clothes at the bottom and then put clothes at the top. These were $5 each. So additional shelving for $10. I actually got this idea from one of my friends who live in Harlem, and she showed me her closet and she installed shelves in there to kind of create more storage and room, since our closets are really, really high up. But I was like, I don't want to really install shelves. I just rather like buy some type of thing. So I bought these. Next, I bought some picture frames that I'm going to put in my bathroom. IKEA is really, really good for for me. I love IKEA for the simple things, for the small things that you just don't want to pay an arm and a leg for, but they have in its quality. Like their picture frames, they're really cute, they're really good. They have various sizes, so you could definitely find your size. And I paid 10 bucks for these picture frames, which these are a 12 by 16. So $10 for both of these. Next, I got some placemats that I am going to use for my dining table. I'm actually reconstructing my whole dining area. If you saw my dining room update that I did, I sat with it and I don't like it. So I will be doing it over. I'm getting like a new rug. I think I'm gonna redo the whole thing just because I want a different look. I don't think that I executed well on what I thought I wanted, and then when I live with something, I'm just like, no, I don't want it. But I bought these placemats. I got 2 of these, and these were $3. So yeah. And then on to like the kitchen stuff that I got as well. I got me a wooden board, a cutting board. This was $4.99, and it's so small and cute, and I just wanted something a little bit smaller, so if I'm just cutting up like one thing, I don't have to pull out the whole thing. But this one was just $5, so $4.99. I got this wooden board, chopping board. So I threw out my other ones and I wanted a big one so I can have more stuff, you know, do whatever. But this one was $7.99, so I think that that's a pretty good deal as well. I know that if you were to go to like a Home Goods or Marshalls or something, this would probably be like $15, maybe $10, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10. No, this would probably be $15. But this was $7.99. All right, and then I also got a pack of, I didn't know I bought 2. I think she only charged me for 1. I got charged for 1 of these, but I actually got 2. These are just some plastic chopping boards. When I don't want to use the wooden ones, you have to make sure you clean them a little bit better and take your time. These are pretty easier to clean. These were $1.49 and I got 2 of them, but I only got charged for 1. So I think that was God's little way of saying it's okay that I paid $30 for the serving bowl, because I got 1 free. I bought some wine glasses. I'm gonna open these up. These are just like the stemless wine glasses. I got 6 in here and they were $9.99, so 6 for $10. Speaking of wine glasses, I also got a carafe, which I'm so happy about because I have been wanting one. About this, I just really like things like this. Like, can't wait to put my wine in it. And I want like a true decanter, but I know that you can use something like this as well to help the wine breathe. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. Next, I know so many people who have this. This is just a utensil carrier that I'm actually going to spray paint black to kind of go with my decor in the kitchen. This was $3.49, but I've always liked these for some reason, just because they're super wide and they just kind of are just like, they don't do too much. They do enough and not too much. But yeah, this was $3.49. Also bought some chopsticks. They have chopsticks there, so I picked these up because I eat pho regularly, like literally maybe twice a week. I need to start making my own since I use it so much. And the last couple of times they've been forgetting my chopsticks, and luckily I've had like other chopsticks before, like here, so I can still eat it. But I'm like, in case they ever forget again, or in case I just want to use chopsticks, I have these, and these were $1. So each pack was under $1, 98 cents. So I got these chopsticks. Okay. Also, I got this like cappuccino set, which I'm very happy about. So I bought 2 of these. It's just the cappuccino cup with the saucer, and these were $3.99, so $4 for both. So I got 2 of those, which I'm excited about. Got a mirror. I really like this mirror. It's a two-faced double-sided mirror, so I'm happy that I got one. I've had this mirror before, and I don't know why, I like it because it's 2 sides. One's magnifying, one's not. I like it. $5 for a mirror, and it's like can sit on your desk and your vanity, so $5. Then I'm almost done. Literally, I'm almost done. And then I got these napkin holders that I am going to use to do napkins, but I bought 4 of these. These were like $1.49. I already have one in my bathroom, but these are like $1.49 or $1 or something like that. And I brought 4 because I'm going to use these for other things too. I just don't know exactly what yet, but I like to, like, when it comes to stuff that's pretty cheap, I like to buy things because I never know how I'm going to use them or how they can come in handy. So you can spray paint these, do whatever, honestly. So I got napkin holders. Okay, so I got these baskets as well. I bought 4 of the big baskets. The big baskets were only $1.49. Like, what? So I bought 4 of these to put underneath my sink. Pretty sure you can get something like this at the dollar store as well, but you know, since I was there, I picked these up. And then I also got some smaller ones with some lids, and the smaller ones are like $1.18, and then the lids were like 30 cents. So I got that, and I'm gonna put these underneath my bathroom sink. Another thing that IKEA gets right is candles. I was put on to these candles actually when I lived in Connecticut, and my friend Yeti, I think we went to IKEA together, and we did go to IKEA together, and she was like, girl, they candles, you gotta get their candles. And ever since then I have been hooked. These candles smell just like, when I say they smell so freaking good. I have like a peaches one, I have a coconut one, and then I have a vanilla like bean one. They smell so good. I got a lot of these, not even gonna lie. I have like 10 candles down here, but like these are some of the best candles. They last long. They literally make your house, like your room, your house, smell good, and they're inexpensive. They're $1.49, like $1.29, like smells so good. Really excited to start burning these. And like for me, I like to use really good affordable candles to burn all the time, instead of like, you know, the really expensive ones that you go through so quickly. Since I do go through candles quickly, I like to get ones that are affordable that I can burn, that smell good, and then kind of save the more expensive ones for like when I'm really trying to set the mood. But those smell absolutely wonderful. The last 2 things that I'm going to talk about, because I'm pretty sure this video is super long and y'all probably like, girl, what did you didn't really get nothing that's exciting. Honestly, I didn't. But the last 2 things I did get, IKEA also has an as is section. So basically anybody who returns something that they try to like resell, so everything is like super discounted. So I checked that out, and I actually found some pretty good items. I found this like little sculpture thing that was originally $7.99. I got it for $5. I actually saw this, and the crazy thing about it is I was going to DIY this because I'm just like, I know that I can DIY this. Like, this is literally something that I can this is so easy to make. And I saw one that was similar to this on West Elm, I think, and it was like $30, and I was like, nah, I'm a DIY that. So when I saw this, it's similar. Of course it's not the same, but it's similar, and I saw it at IKEA, and I thought about getting it, but it was also they have a bigger one too, but I was just like, no, I'm a DIY. Like I know I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could, because I believe I know I can. But then I saw this down there, and it was $5, and I was like, you know what I would probably use for the materials would cost $5, so I might as well get this one. I got this. It is brown at the bottom, so I'm going to spray paint this black and have it all black and put this in my bathroom. So I'm super excited that I may still DIY something, because sculptures are really easy to DIY if you know what you're doing, and I really want to try. But yeah, I got this in the as is section. I think that's all. So this says I got 46 items for $233, which, you know, I don't think that's too bad at all. I did get a lot of more not the cool things at IKEA that you see, like the lamps and the lights and all of that stuff. Really got things that are functional that I will be able to use. And again, like I said, if you are in a place in your apartment or home decor journey that you don't really need the big things that you associate IKEA for, I would definitely encourage you just to go and look around and look at the small little knickknacks, because they really can like transform your room or just kind of expand your brain to figure out like, oh, I didn't know I could use that for storage. Oh, that would actually be a good idea if I did that. Like, that's what I truly love IKEA for, just to kind of get your wheels turning on what you want or what you can do just when you see something. So yeah, that is my little mini IKEA haul. Hopefully it was enjoyable. Hopefully you guys made it through this video. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next one.